What are the best strategies for checking your exam work? Imagine finishing your exam and feeling confident, but then wondering if you missed anything or made simple mistakes. Checking your work carefully can make a big difference in your final score. It is a key part of doing well on exams and building your confidence for future tests. The first step is to do a quick scan of all your answers. Make sure you have answered every question, especially multiple choice ones. Sometimes it is easy to forget a question if you rush. Next, go back and review each answer more slowly. Read the question again and see if your response makes sense. For math problems, try reworking the problem to verify your solution. This helps catch calculation errors or misread questions. Use proofreading techniques like guiding your eyes with a finger or pen. Reading your answers aloud can help you notice awkward phrasing or mistakes. Check spelling, punctuation, and formatting separately to catch small errors. Good trick is to read each sentence backward, from the last word to the first. This makes you focus on individual sentences and catch mistakes you might miss otherwise. Break your review into stages. First, check for accuracy and completeness. Then, focus on clarity and organization. Make sure your responses are easy to understand and well-structured. Look at your work for consistency in style and neatness. Clear, tidy work is easier to review and shows you paid attention to detail. If possible, ask a classmate or teacher to review your answers. A fresh set of eyes can spot mistakes you might overlook. Manage your time well during the exam. Leave enough time at the end to review your answers thoroughly. Rushing through this step can cost you points. Before starting the test, jot down key formulas or facts on a scrap piece of paper. This reduces stress and helps you stay focused. Answer the questions you find easiest first. This builds confidence and saves time for tougher questions. Regularly reviewing your class material before exams also helps reduce errors and boosts your overall understanding. Incorporating these strategies into your exam routine can help you catch mistakes early and improve your scores. Remember, checking your work is not just about finding errors. It is about making sure your answers are clear, complete, and correct. Take your time, stay calm, and review carefully to do your best.